For decades, air travel has looked the same: airports, lines, and the same old tube with wings, but that's changing fast. We're seeing everything from silent balloons that reach the edge of space to electric flying cars that could end traffic jams. These aren't just concepts, they're real prototypes being built and tested right now. From hypersonic jets to personal flying vehicles, the pace of innovation is staggering. Today we're diving into the most ambitious, futuristic aircraft shaping the next era of travel. This is the plane that will change travel forever. First up, Zafalto, a serene, luxury balloon ride to the edge of space. Instead of a rocket launch, you gently ascend in a pressurized capsule with panoramic windows. At 82,000 feet, you see the Earth's curve and the thin blue atmosphere. The focus is on comfort and the experience, not speed. It's a 6-hour journey with 3 hours at peak altitude to soak in the view. Zafalto is redefining space tourism as a meditative, exclusive adventure. Space travel is becoming a luxury experience, not just for astronauts. Meet Hina's electric flying car, designed to beat city traffic. This eVTOL lifts off vertically from almost anywhere. No runway needed. Fully electric, it's quiet and eco-friendly, perfect for urban skies. Imagine summoning one like a rideshare and flying over gridlock. Challenges remain: air traffic control, battery tech, and regulations. But if solved, these vehicles could reshape cities and daily commutes. The vision is bold, but working prototypes make it feel inevitable. The future of personal transportation is taking flight. Now let's talk speed. Hermeus's quarter horse aims for Mach 5. That's New York to London in 90 minutes. The secret is a turbine-based combined cycle engine. Jet for takeoff, ramjet for hypersonic flight. Quarter horse is an uncrewed testbed, but the goal is a passenger jet. Hypersonic travel could shrink the world, making global business and travel routine. If successful, this tech will redefine intercontinental flight. Imagine a business meeting in Tokyo and dinner in LA, same day. It's ambitious, but the impact could be massive. The race for hypersonic travel is on. Arex Systems is redefining drones, not for video, but for speed and agility. These high-performance UAS can deliver medical supplies or survey infrastructure in minutes. Emergency response, package delivery, and inspections become almost instant. Their maneuverability lets them operate in complex environments. The real revolution is in logistics, moving goods faster than ever. It's not about moving people, but transforming how we move things. Arex is quietly changing industries with small, autonomous aircraft. The future of rapid delivery is airborne. Drones are becoming essential tools, not just toys. Meet JetZero-Z4, the future of commercial airliners. Its blended wing body slashes drag and fuel use, promising 50% less emissions. That means cheaper, greener flights and a new standard for efficiency. The design allows for wider, more open interiors. Developed with the US Air Force, it's set to carry over 200 passengers. Modern materials make this decades-old concept finally viable. JetZero could make sustainable air travel mainstream. Skylon, from Reaction Engines, is a reusable spaceplane aiming for single-stage-to-orbit. It takes off like a jet, reaches orbit, and lands on a runway. No rockets needed. The Sabre engine switches from air-breathing to rocket mode mid-flight. This tech could cut launch costs by 90%, making space access routine. Skylon's pre-cooler tech is a breakthrough in aerospace engineering. If it works, launching satellites and cargo becomes as easy as air freight. Skylon could open a new era of affordable space exploration. Virgin Galactic is making space tourism real right now. Passengers board a spaceplane launched from a carrier aircraft for a suborbital flight. They experience weightlessness and see Earth from above. The entire journey is curated for a premium, transformative experience. Virgin Galactic has flown its first commercial customers, opening space to civilians. It's a high-end adventure, but a pivotal moment for private spaceflight. Space is no longer just for government agencies. What if runways could move? Enter the land aircraft carrier. These massive vehicles create mobile runways in remote or hostile areas. Primarily for military use, they offer flexibility and rapid deployment. Imagine rolling into a disaster zone and assembling an airstrip for relief flights. It's a shift from fixed infrastructure to mobile logistics. The engineering is complex, but the potential is huge. Rethinking the runway could change aviation's reach. Skea builds stratospheric stations balloons that float at 65,000 feet for months. They provide broadband and cellular service to remote areas, bridging the digital divide. These platforms also monitor climate and air quality with advanced sensors. Geostationary over target areas, they offer continuous high-res data. SKIA creates a new infrastructure layer between satellites and ground networks. It's a powerful tool for connectivity and environmental monitoring. The stratosphere is becoming a vital part of our tech ecosystem. The Bombardier Global 8000 is the fastest, longest-range business jet ever. It's broken the sound barrier and can fly 8,000 nautical miles non-stop. Connecting cities like Dubai to Houston without refueling, it shrinks the globe for business. The interior is pure luxury, with advanced comfort and wellness features. Tech from this jet will influence commercial aviation. It's the pinnacle of tube and wings design. The Global 8000 sets a new standard for private flight. Doroni H1X is a personal eVTOL you could park in your garage. Designed for ownership, it's a two-seater with intuitive controls and ducted fans for safety. Fully electric, it offers a 60-mile range and 140 miles per hour top speed, perfect for daily commutes. Doroni aims to make flying as easy as driving. Pre-orders are open, and FAA certification is in the works. This could democratize personal air travel. The sci-fi dream of flying from your backyard is closer than ever. Reusable orbital transport like SpaceX's Starship is the shipping container of space. Fully reusable, rapid-launch vehicles will slash costs and enable massive projects in orbit. Launching hundreds of tons for lunar bases or Mars colonies becomes feasible. High flight rates drive costs down, making space industry possible. These vehicles will deploy satellites, build infrastructure, and even offer point-to-point Earth travel. Reusable transport is the backbone of our multi-planetary future. It's not just a rocket, it's the key to the space economy. The Black Hawk helicopter is evolving with autonomy and hybrid electric power. Sikorsky's Matrix system lets it fly complex missions with no pilot on board. Hybrid electric propulsion means quieter, safer, and more efficient flights. These upgrades reduce pilot workload and boost mission flexibility. The Black Hawk is becoming a smart, semi-autonomous partner in the sky. Legendary hardware meets futuristic tech. It's set to remain a critical aviation tool for decades. Airbus is building the ecosystem for urban air mobility, not just a flying car. Their Vahana project proved autonomous eVTOLs are viable. Now, Airbus is designing vehicles and systems for safe, quiet, citywide air travel. The vision seamless journeys combining cars, eVTOLs, and last-mile solutions. With their expertise, Airbus could make flying cars a reality for the masses. It's about integrating air travel into daily urban life. If anyone can scale flying cars, Airbus is a top contender. Bellwether's Volar is the luxury flying car. Think Ferrari of the sky. Sleek, compact, and powered by ducted fans, it's designed for style and exclusivity. The goal, a traffic-free, point-to-point urban commute that's as desirable as it is fast. Volar fits in a parking space and is simple to operate. Bellwether is proving their design with prototypes. For them, the future of transport is about the journey, not just the destination. The Volar is a flying machine you'll want to be seen in. City Airbus Next Gen is a 4-seat, all-electric eVTOL for urban shuttles. Fixed wings, V-tail, and 8 propellers make it quiet and efficient. Designed for short city hops, like airport to downtown, with a 50-mile range. The focus is on sustainability and blending into city noise levels. Airbus is targeting repeatable shuttle routes for easier regulation. It's a practical, engineered solution for urban air mobility. City Airbus is the future of city transport. Clean, quiet, and convenient. We've explored 16 groundbreaking machines reshaping flight and space. The future of aviation is a spectrum, from personal eVTOLs to hypersonic jets and spaceplanes. Each tackles a unique challenge, from daily commutes to intercontinental travel and space access. The real question, which will have the biggest impact on our lives? Will it be flying cars, hypersonic jets, or luxury space rides? It's an amazing time to watch these dreams become reality. Which do you think will change travel forever? Let us know in the comments.